I can see another question, which is, don't you think your development assistant dashboard is somehow facilitating micromanagement? Right, so my short answer to that is, we don't think so. And the simple answer is, today, the development assistant is focused on your specific tasks. The goal is not to filter on someone else. It's to see exactly what tasks are assigned to you, what you are working on, what are your due dates that are applied to yourself. Of course, there could be any specific customization done by the users to go deeper and further and do something else from these templates. But as of now, it's not focused on someone else but yourself.
Let me maybe answer from a CTO perspective. When an engineer in your team is not a good fit, there is no need for metrics to know about it. You will know about it just by looking and hearing people. So metrics are not for that purpose, because you don't need metrics for that. The metrics are to measure the efficiency of your organization as a team. How can we make things better? The objective is not to point fingers, because that's absolutely useless. And when you look at top companies like Netflix and Amazon, that's not the culture they have developed. The culture they have developed is, we should be able to fail without assuming the consequences, meaning that we should be able to trial things and still have a backup. What does it mean? It means that if your organization finds itself introducing bugs on a regular basis, are you going to finger point your engineers? No, that's absolutely useless, because it's not going to do anything. If you're putting stress on your engineers, they're not going to deliver better. They're just going to be stressed. However, what you may want to do as a CTO, as a VP of engineering, is start introducing more layers of testing. So maybe introduce automated end-to-end testing, which is usually a difficult part. Maybe more manual testing. You want to have test scripts. So you want to focus on the quality parts. And that's a team effort, because you will need people to work on the testing itself, but you will also need the engineers to explain the business logic to the testers and the people putting the end-to-end testing. So that's an example of a scenario where you've got two options. You can use metrics the wrong way and do finger pointing, and that's not going to yield any positive results. Or you can actually use metrics to say, okay, we need to do something, and we're going to monitor it, and we're going to do that as a team. So it's very important to understand that metrics are not there to monitor individual people, because usually you won't need metrics to monitor individual people. And you want to create a virtuous culture as a team. And that's what the metrics are for.